What's up, everybody? This is your favorite homeboy. Today we're going to be skiing Camelback.
Nope, Big Boulder.
Big Boulder. We're skiing Big Boulder.
Not too
and
big.
let's say it's a little boulder. And tomorrow we're going to do Jack Frost. It's like a little 1-2 punch. Buy one, get one free. Big Frost, Jack Boulder. My lips are...
Big Boulder.
Big Boulder and Jack Frost. My lips are frozen. I can't talk. We're in the Poconos. I've always wanted to do this review because we got some vacation rentals here. Check out the links above to see this one, and this one. Are 3 places you can rent just a few minutes from these awesome ski resorts. We're gonna see how awesome they are. We're gonna give a rating, so stay tuned towards the end. It's a 2-day video. Jack Frost, Big Boulder, not Camelback. All right, we'll see you at the top. You gotta get some trophies on that helmet, son.
I have none.
You gotta get some
Wait,
trophies.
why would you ski?
No
Where is
way.
it?
What the?
Where is it?
We're at the top of this mountain, Boulder. We got our cousins, Jonah and Josie. Josie already lost her ski. Show us that technique with one ski. Well, the good news is we're not gonna see any wipeouts today because the mountain's pretty tame. I think the reason why they call this Big Boulder is because it's not a mountain, it's just a big boulder, literally. Elevation here, what? 10 feet?
10 feet.
Hey, it's a nice, great, leisurely day. We're gonna just relax and have fun. Okay, so this is our first run down. Hi, Sabrina. This is Jonah. This is Joshua. This is the lift that you take. And this is the entire run right here. You can see the bottom right there. And you can see the top right there. We've definitely been spoiled by the West Coast.
Oh yeah.
Big sky.
Big sky, baby. Oh, look at Joshua's got tricks. Look at that farm. Go, girl.
Oh,
Go, girl. Incoming. Go, Chloe. All right, we're gonna go try this other one adjacent to the first one we went to because the line got kind of long. Oh, we're going from a green to a blue. I'll go with you, Josh. Hi, Mama. All right, Josh, what do you think so far?
I don't think the base lift should ever only have 2 people max.
2
I think
people
at
back.
least 3. 3 should be the minimum.
Well, they gotta retrofit the whole thing. I don't think they got enough people to justify 3. All right, guys, we're gonna do a blue trail. Bunny's shush. Like it. Bunny's shush on the right. We'll do the drop ganger next time. Bunny's shush. Okay, now we're just gonna do Bunny's elbow. Similar. One curve different. Look at this snow that we're getting. It's like whiteout conditions. Storms are coming, baby. Hey, Josie, Sabrina! Can you see me?
wow.
What's up, baby? I caught up!
Oh my god.
Don't worry, I'll come back for you.
Am I in the vlog?
You're gonna be in it, baby! Oh. First black diamond of the day. We're gonna do snowdrift and a snowdrift. Oh, this is beautiful! Woo! This is beautiful! little black diamond draft ganger. Chloe's on the cam. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, why'd you stop? Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is a terrible place to go.
You're going so slow. Oh, go. Oh! Let's get some air, baby. Oh! Keep going. Whoa! Marathon, jump. Oh no, Josie! Come on, Josh.
No, I didn't get
Oh, weak. Come on, Josie, get up. Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your favorite homeboy in Day 2. Today we're at Jack Frost. Got the family over here. Chloe is with the cousins waiting to get the rentals. And this mountain's situated a little bit uniquely, in which the lodge, as you see behind me, is up at the top, not at the bottom. And so we're gonna be skiing down, sort of like Snowshoe. Check out Snowshoe right there. If you haven't liked or subscribed, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. So we're gonna ski this, and at the end of this, we're gonna give you a review and compare it to Camelback and all the other ski places we've been to. The cool thing is all the blacks are situated on the right side of the mountain, blues in the middle, greens on the left, so it's really easy to figure out. All right, we'll ski the first one, let you know how it is. Okay, the first one is gonna be a blue. It's Jane's Lane. Let's go, guys. Josie! I'd say that run alone was better than all of Big Boulders. It's like twice as long, right? Okay, this one is Lehigh. This is also a blue. All right, girls, boys, go for it. Okay, we're gonna give you a little tip.
Oh my god, that was so fast.
You didn't realize how steep that was. There you go. What'd you think about that? You see Josh's airtime?
That was so sick.
You go, ah!
I missed all of them.
Okay, we're gonna do our first black diamond of the day, Thunderbolt. Here we go. Music's gritty. Uh-oh. Okay, we got Chloe on the cam. She's gonna be doing the Black Diamond Challenge right over there. There you go, Chloe. All right, let's follow Chloe. All right, the last Black Diamond of the day. So we're going down Lightning. This is probably going to be the steepest one of all the trails. Yeah, I know, I hit that first ice pack. I fell down on that ice. That wasn't a good view, but it was funny. Okay, we just finished skiing Jack Frost and we got the whole family here. Time for a review. All right, what do you guys think of it? Pros and cons.
Much better than Big Boulder. The lifts were better because there was not just 2-seaters. It was like one 3-seater and a 4-seater. The trails were longer and better.
Yep, more trails open. That's always
more trails were open. Trails were longer trails.
Yeah. Weather was nicer.
Yeah, well, I mean, come on, it's like 5 minutes away from each other, so that's kind of a toss-up. The chairs were kind of, rickety. Lines were kind of mismanaged. So how would you guys rate Big Boulder and Jack Frost? On the count of 3, everybody, hold up your fingers for Big Boulder. I got a 1, 1, 2, 3, 3. That's a score of a 2. All right, now let's do Jack Frost. Ready? 2.5. 3, 6, 9, 12. Pretty much 15, it's about a 3, average out to a 3. So Jack Frost is definitely the superior ski slope if you're gonna come out to the Poconos. And the only other ski place that we did not ski is Camelback. But if you're gonna choose between Jack Frost and Big Boulder, Jack Frost is definitely the superior one. And this is on the Epic Pass. So if you're on the Epic Pass, come out here and you can ski all the time you want. So hope you enjoyed this ski review of the ski resort. You guys have any last things to say? Last comment?
Stay at our vacation rental when you come out.
That's right, you can stay at our vacation rental when you come out. Yeah, 3 options: Great Pyrenees, the Berkshire, and the Khaki Campbell. All right, so now it's time for sticker time. Who wants to go first? All right.